If you eat mangoes every day, that's a secret the doctor won't tell you. What happens to your body? First, improve skin health. Vitamin C and vitamin A in mango are essential for skin health. Vitamin C helps to promote collagen production and maintain skin's elasticity and glow. Second, help lose weight. Although mango tastes sweet, it is relatively low in calories and rich in dietary fiber, which can increase satiety and reduce the intake of high-calorie foods, thus helping to control weight. In addition, mangoes are also rich in antioxidants such as vitamin A, flavonoids, and carotenoids, which are very beneficial for eye health, helping to protect the eyes from free radical damage and prevent eye diseases such as macular degeneration and cataracts. Mango is rich in dietary fiber, which helps to promote the proper function of the digestive system, prevent constipation, promote intestinal motility, and maintain intestinal health. Please share this information with your mango-loving friends.